let's talk a little bit about math and do our calendar today. So in your package, you should have a sheet that looks like this. It says the parts of the flower. So if you want to, pause the video and go into your packet and find this sheet. What we're going to do today is we're going to count. I'm going to bend this down a little bit so it's easier for both of us. So we're going to count how many parts there are on a flower. So flowers have different parts. Down here, these are called the roots, and they're under the ground. Then you have the stem. The stem comes all the way up the flower. On the stem, leaves will grow. And then up here, you have the flower part, and then these are petals. So let's count and let's see how many parts of a flower do we have. So right here, the roots, that's number 1. So we'll write a number 1 right there. The next part is the stem. That is number 2. I hope I do this right because I'm writing upside down. I don't think that's right. Nope. Sorry, hold on. I have to do that. Number 2. Sorry, I couldn't write that upside down. So number 2. So the stem is number 2. Number 3 is going to be the leaves. There's the 3. And then what number is this one going to be? The flower part. You're right. 4. 4. So there's 4 parts to a flower. 1, the roots. 2, the stem. 3, the leaves. And 4, the flower. Now there's more detailed on the different parts of a flower, and we will get into that when we talk a little bit about science. But for right now, on this, we're just going to use this worksheet, and we have 4 parts to the flower. If you want to, you can go ahead and count how many petals are on the flower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we have how many leaves? 1, 2, 1 stem. How many roots are going in different directions? Let's count that together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So those are the parts of the flower. Now let me get this moved and we will talk about the calendar for today. If you want to, a little bit later, if you want to, go ahead and color in your flower and make it look really pretty. You could do that later if you wanted to, all right? I'm going to move the camera a little bit so we can have a little bit closer shot of our calendar. I wanted to get a little bit better shot, so I moved the camera, but we'll start now. So let's go ahead and tap. I'm going to move the camera just a little bit so you guys can see the days of the week. And let's tap together, and let's get ready to do our Days of the Week song. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. All right, so let me pull this down here a little bit. So let me ask you something. Yesterday, we didn't get into this yesterday, but yesterday was Monday. And so if yesterday was Monday, and tomorrow is Wednesday, what does that make today? Tuesday. Tuesday. Very good. Now, today is Tuesday, tomorrow is Wednesday, yesterday was Monday. We talked about how you have past, present, and future. The past is something that has already happened. The future is something that's going to happen and has not happened yet. And the present is happening right now. So let me ask you something. Was Monday the past, the present, or the future? Did you say past? If you said past, you're correct. It was past. It already happened. It was yesterday. Now, what about Wednesday? Wednesday has not happened yet. That's happening tomorrow. Is that the past, the present, or the future? Did you say future? You said future. You're correct. Tomorrow. It has not happened. It's in the future. So Wednesday will be in the future. That's tomorrow. So today, happening right now, is Tuesday. Is that the past, the present, or the future? Did you say present? If you said present, you are correct. Because what do we always say in school? Every day is a gift from God, and that is why we call it a present, the present, because every day is a gift from God. So let's talk a little bit about our pattern that we did. So you remember our pattern was cloud, raindrop, raindrop, cloud, raindrop, raindrop. So down here we have cloud, and then we have raindrop, raindrop. What comes next? So it's cloud, raindrop, raindrop, cloud, raindrop, raindrop. Did you say cloud? You're right, it's cloud. So let's put our cloud on there. We are getting through our month of April really good. So today is Tuesday, April 28th. April 28th. Very good, pre-K. So I will see you guys tomorrow or the next video, depending on where you are.